Good morning, everyone. This morning from Rodney's Momentum Mindset, I want to talk to you about challenges that we face and setbacks. And it goes like this. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Storm don't last forever, but your strength does. Today, choose to rise, rebuild, and reclaim your power. The road to victory is paved with lesson, not luck. You got this. What am I trying to say to you is never give up in life. Sometimes there's a setback, and that setback is just to rebuild and come back stronger than ever. So even though that setback is a setback that have you thinking that this is it, my life is over, never give up in life. Because remember, that road is paved, not by luck. So on the behalf of Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, have a wonderful day. God bless you. Peace, I'm out.